have one of these. Yes, it looks like a regular cell phone, but it's not a regular cell phone because I found a way to get my cell phone to pay me, and I no longer have a cell phone bill each month. As a matter of fact, I found a way for my family, friends, and people I bump into to get zero-cost phone service with unlimited text, data, and talk times nationwide with fast 4G service. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's very true. If you're paying more than $50 a month for your mobile phone service, you've got to see this. Just put your name, email, and phone number in, and I'll share with you a short video that will show you how to get your mobile phone bill completely wiped out, plus how you can get paid by helping your friends to do the same.